Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making green chicken palau. As you can see, I'm using coriander. I have taken 3 tablespoons coriander, 3 tablespoons mint. You can see it like 1/4 cup of coriander, 1/4 cup of mint. I've taken 3 tablespoons of dahi, that is yogurt, 3 tablespoons. I've taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 chilies. I'm going to grind this all together to make a green paste for the chicken. Guys, I have taken 250 grams of chicken and I have made the green curry paste. I had added 1 teaspoon of salt in it because of course the chicken has to have some flavor. I had added 1 teaspoon salt. I'm going to mix it all together. So for the curry, I have taken some masalas. I will share it in the description with you guys. I have taken some dried spices and I've chopped sliced one onion. Okay, so let's make the palau. Guys, if you can see, I had put in the dried spices and then I had put the onions and I had put all the masalas in and I left it for frying for a few minutes till the masala. I added little bit water for this, just 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to let the masalas cook with the onions. At this point, after I fried the masalas for few minutes till the oil separated, I have added in the green masala chicken which I had marinated. I had marinated the chicken and I had kept for 30 minutes. Now so guys, I let this chicken and the potatoes and the green, I had also added potatoes. I let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and it's cooked in its masala. Now I'm going to add I have added the rice in it. I had taken 1.5 cup of rice and I have added the water. Nearly 5 cups of water I have added because I have to let the potatoes cook. So once all the rice is all dried up, then I will give it for I'll show you what it looks like. You can see after I had the water had soaked in, I had given it I had just covered the lid. I had covered the lid and I had kept the rice for 10 minutes and for steaming, and after it got steamed, this is what the rice looks like. It's so delicious. I have given it a taste. I'm going to dish it out. You can everything, the chicken, the potatoes, everything is cooked. So please give this green masala palau a try, guys, and subscribe to my channel.